treasure your good friends. Because today, sobrang hirap na maghanap ng good friends.
Oh, super close up naman. Yan ang mga totoo may character.
Balingi kayo.
Ay! Nandiyan kasi. Uy, happy birthday!
Ayaw mo siya? Parang ano naman to. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Tel!
Hindi mo birthday.
Miss you, Tel!
Hindi ko na na-miss.
Picture kita na. Sino?
Kasi Elaine.
Tara na dun tayo. Ang yaman naman ni Maydel. Grabe.
Hindi, minsan lang naman.
Oo. Kapag aans ka ba, Maydel?
Yes. Advance happy birthday, happy mo.
Ang mga avatar. Yes. Avatar Maydelin. Wilma, hello. Maydelin.
Napagod na kakahintay.
Senior high school people. Yay!
Nahaber ka si Elaine.
Asan si Lizelle?
Wala.
Sobrang OA.
Oo, ay mo.
Hello po.
Ano? Video.
Otlo, ano masasabi mo? Otlo. Welcome, Otlo.
Ano yan? Yan siya.
Maranop na kamay.
True.
May mind kang entrance.
Meron ba dito?
Secret camera.
Tanungin mo si Kuya kasi narinig ka niya.
Kuya, secret camera ka ba dito? At baka kapag... Hello? Part of vlog.
Ganun di. Kaya dito ka di ah.
Wala may monkey.
Mga sobrang OA. Parang pistahan yung pinuntahan.
San Juan.
Uy.
San Juan.
Birthday mo?
Hindi, yung birthday.
Sabi niya no? Claudine Barreto.
Thank you so much.
Putol siya. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
May 2 seconds delay. Thank you so much. Uy, thank you. Go, thank you. Sabi ko ngayon. Thank you so much. Magdala ka pa.
Today, we're gonna do a skincare routine.
Wow, vlogger yours.
Hey guys, lalabas po kami. Pupunta kami ng rooftop chill. Be yung tao mo para mahika.
Ay, go mo dyan. Nakahuli na ako rin na dito.
Sabi mo na natin, chismis.
What are you wearing today, birthday girl? Ay! Sobra! Naka-red ribbon.
Red ribbon.
From here to red. Kasi pa, sabi ko, kasing namin lahat doon. Didelete ko ito nga kung ganyan. Bye! Let's go. Let's go, guys. Hey Siri. Sobrang OA. Gagamitin ko kayo lahat para cloud. Sobrang OA. Hey! Pagod na kayo?
Yes!
Medyo lang. Kasi kulang na isa. Grabe, akala ng rooftop chill jackpot nila sa amin. In-order po namin. Sprite in can. Open can. Mag-isa-isa kami inumin. Nag-demand pa ng bucket of ice. The best! Ito ang pinakamayaman kong friend. Ano man sabi niya na kuripot pa rin tayo? Nakikita niyo lahat? Wala kami in-order dyan. In-order namin. Wala dito. Payat ko! Grabe, pagod na sa mga...
Anong oras?
Ang ganda lang dyan.
Bye! See you again tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. Guys, na po. We love you.
Ingat kayo ba? Oy, papagat yung papagat. Bigay mo na. Ayan, sa aking pizza. Galit ka sa akin. Ice cake. Bye!
Dahil, ba't ako nagtampo dati, Maydel? Bakit ako nagtampo dati?
Yung filter, di ba ginagamit namin yung filter sa'yo?
Okay.
Yung filter. Naglalakas ako sa'yo. Naglalakas mo.
Ang sabi ko?
Tapos kung hindi dahil kay tap-tap, di mo nakakakusap. Wala ka sa tap-tap na.
Eh, grabe yung stay ng anak ko sa pinag-inom natin, ah. Nandun na po sa baba yung order. Yeah, bibila pa rin sila nakakayo, so, delivery. Oo, ito. Para naman.
Super OA.
Tapos yung wallet pa ito kitang room. Neto.
Bayaran mo na yung spaghetti ko, babe.
Ayan nga! Basta may...
Ay, natahimik din ako na si Lizelle ko. Ito si Lizelle lang pala yung papagulo sa buhay.
Tapos lagi siya nakakapunta sa mga concert ng mga 17, twice.
Banlad ka, Mike? I'll just check. I'll just confirm. I will diagnose you if you are banlad.
Banlad ka? Aliko banlad.
You're trying. Up for the nasty style.
Ay, buksan mo yung pinto!
Ay? Kapampangan ko.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Yes.
Oops. Parang ginawa niya ng throw.
Good morning, everyone. So, kagising lang namin. Iba namin kaibigan, umuwi na. Because some of them may work. Tapos yung iba naman may kailangan lakarin. Buyers. Bye-bye.
See you next life. Jowa.
I just wanted to share that this taught me a lot of things. Yung pag-meet namin, marami na nagbago. And may kanya-kanya na kaming path, may kanya-kanya na kaming parang career na tinatahak. And it's always a good thing that sometimes we have time to get along, to catch up. I'm just very thankful that we have connected again after few years. Just so you know, guys, they are my senior high school friends. 2 years lang yung senior high school. Hindi ko sila naging classmate high school, hindi ko sila naging classmate during college. 2 years lang yung senior high school. But we have built a very strong bond na even up to these days, parang there's a need for us to reconnect. But one thing I've learned is that meron pa rin nagbabind sa amin. And that is the bond that we have built. Lumalabas yung pagiging, alam mo yun, pagiging high school namin. I guess this is a sign na kamustahin yung mga friends nyo. Although mahalaga yung magkikita talaga kayo, but it's really really hard na magkikita talaga kayo ng kompleto or majority of them na magmi-meet up like this. I think a simple chat or a simple, you know, kamustahan will be a great thing. Treasure your good friends because today sobrang hirap na maghanap ng good friends. Bye.
Kasi may tanong.
Kasi ba?
Sobrang uwi. So, nag-streaming na po sila. Yun lang. Tubigan ng basa galing swimming pool. Grabe! Cool. How does it feel?
Ang feels
Nostalgic.
wow.
Kasi nang ba nakawin?
But you're so nasty. You're so witty.
You are nasty.
And everything in it. Nagbabalot na po kami ng mga pagkain. We're going home already. Yes, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. Grabe, mag-outro na lang. Mag-request pa ng tape. Ang entitled. Yun nga guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my vlog or video. We'll see you in my next video. I don't know kung kailan po ako mag-upload. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe.